When you got into moisture content and start talking about the little bit more salt on Kansas City Joe's, Slaps won it hands down.
Hey folks, it's Ben from Smoking Hot Confessions here. We're at lunchtime, day one at the NBBQA conference here in beautiful Kansas City. And I've got with me Hayward Harris Jr. from the Rib Doctor. Mate, how are you enjoying the conference?
Oh man, I am loving it. I'm seeing friends I haven't seen in a couple of years. I'm enjoying making new friends, engaging, getting stuffed, going on the barbecue tour. You know,
Wasn't that great yesterday? That was amazing.
Man, we were still debating over who had the best ribs yesterday. Was it Slaps or was it Kansas City Joe's? And I think that when it all said and done, I think that Slaps edged them out a little bit due to moisture content.
That was my feeling on it as well. For me, I would have rated them Slaps, then Joe's, then Plowboys, I think.
That's exactly how we did it. Same came up with the same outcome. Slaps, Joe's Kansas City, and Plowboys. But they were all good.
Oh yeah, that's no disrespect to any of them. That's just my personal rating.
Personal taste. Because I have to be honest with you, I was riding with Kansas City Joe's for a second. And then we got into the debate about moisture content. When you got into moisture content and start talking about the little bit more salt on Kansas City Joe's, Slaps won it hands down. Yeah.
Fair enough. Now, tell me about the Rib Doctor. What do you do at the Rib Doctor?
The Rib Doctor is a competition barbecue team. We have been competing with KCBS since 1994. We've been judging for them since 1991. And we've won several of the Award of Excellence here at the National Barbecue Association. We were notified about a month ago that either our barbecue sauces finished in the top 6 or our videos may have finished in the top 3. So, or both. We don't know. But the fact that we're going to get called for something, we're excited about that.
That's fantastic, mate. Absolutely fantastic. So, having already won awards from the NBBQA, what opportunities has that afforded you since?
We are now in Whole Food markets in the Southern California area. Because our sauce tends to be a premium brand sauce, because of the name as well as the quality of the product, we have gotten into several other, what we like to call highline grocery stores or retailers. We are recognized when we go out on a barbecue circuit. And it's been beyond my wildest imagination. The reality is that I'm a retired bureaucrat, but I just can't sit and watch TV all day. So we just said, well, barbecue is seasonal, even though we're in California, and we forgot about that part of it. But I said, well, we can do this for 3-4 months, and that way we can travel, 6-7 months. No. I'm working harder now than I have ever worked.
Yeah, I think there's retirement and then there's retirement.
Yes. I should have stuck with the retirement with being a bureaucrat. But you know what? I've had a blast doing it because we meet so many interesting people, and because my face is on the bottle, people when they come in and they sample the barbecue sauce, then they pick the bottle up and they go, that's you, So, that brings on a different type of engagement. We talk about barbecue competitions, we talk about barbecue sauces, we talk about their barbecue experiences. But more importantly, I get a chance to help them, through whatever barbecue issues they may be having at that time. And I mean, just some of the more basic things that we as pros have long forgotten. Like, when do you put a barbecue sauce on? Because some folks actually marinate in barbecue sauce. No, you can't do that. There's sugar in there. It's going to burn. So that kind of enjoyment is what I get out of being retired and unretired selling barbecue sauce.
So it's all about sharing the knowledge and sharing the passion.
You know what? There were some folks that helped me out when I was coming up, and believe it or not, I've been cooking since I was knee high to a 5-cent stamp. And when's the last time you seen a 5-cent stamp? So when I came into the barbecue world, I thought I knew all there was to be great in barbecue. That's how I got the name Rib Doctor, you know?
Makes sense.
But then I found out from other guys that's spanking my behind in the early days what I didn't learn. And these guys took me by the hand and guided me through things that I didn't know. They put their arms around me and said, come on, man, we're going to teach you some things. So essentially, because I was just grilling, I had no idea what smoking was. So these guys took me from being a great griller to right now, I call myself a pseudo great smoker, but I think I'm a great smoker.
Alrighty. So you mentioned before that the Rib Doctor sauce is a premium level sauce, like a premium end product.
Yes.
What is it about your sauce that makes it so unique?
We have no high fructose corn syrup in it. It's gluten-free. It's low sodium. It's low sugar. We use premium products. And I took a class today, and one of the things they were talking about is MSG. So I don't believe I have MSG in my product, but just that quickly, I sent a note off to my co-packer asking them, do I have MSG in my product? Because if she comes back and says, no, then that's another feature that we're able to say that our product is.
Add that to the label.
Yeah, so we actually think we have a healthy product. That's how, in fact, we didn't even know the product was healthy. As we were going through the development phase, we had a nutritionist, handle our labeling for us. So, she ran the products through whatever process they run it through, whether it's digital or manual or however they come up with it. And she called me up and she goes, do you know what you have? I said, yeah, I got a barbecue sauce. She says, no, do you know what you have? And I'm going, yeah, I got a barbecue sauce. She says, no, your sauce is low sodium, low sugar. You have a healthy barbecue sauce. Do you know how many people are out there looking for a healthy barbecue sauce? So we had no idea, but we backed into a niche, and we're glad we did. And more importantly, we're able to communicate to our potential clients that we have a healthy barbecue sauce that actually tastes good. And it's a national award winner.
Well, mate, congratulations. That all sounds amazing. If I can just have a little bit more of your time, absolutely. I just want to ask one question about finding a co-packer. How do you go about finding a co-packer? Do you just hit Google and just search co-packer, or do you network through events and find someone that you can work with? What tips would you have for people that are looking to find co-packers for sauces or rubs of their own?
We did, in fact, Google. And then we asked other people that were in the business, where did you go to get your product co-packed? I think nowadays that what people can do is they can contact the National Barbecue Association, and they are a great resource for helping you find a co-packer either locally or nationally. But the easiest way is to Google and look under co-packer, but do your homework. All co-packers are not equal. Okay. I happen to have gotten lucky, and we were blessed with co-packers that are honest, that are straightforward, get you the quality products and ingredients that I wanted, and still be able to do it at a reasonable price. There are others out there that's not necessarily going to meet that high bar. So find at least 3 or 4, interview them, get comfortable with them, because after all, you're going to be sharing your recipe with them. And you're talking, about a confidentiality agreement.
I was going to say, is that when the lawyers get involved?
Well, you can either create a non-disclosure agreement yourself, but I would suggest that, yes, you do have counsel available to you, or at least have counsel review your non-disclosure agreement, or if the co-packer gives you a non-disclosure agreement that's blank, have your counsel review that.
Yes, that's probably a good piece of advice right there.
Yeah, because I'm telling you, there's all kinds of little pitfalls. As I was sharing, was able to talk to other folks who have been in this game for a while longer than myself. Mm-hmm. There are so many pitfalls in the barbecue sauce game that if you're not careful, you can get yourself hurt. Non-disclosure is one of those, that if you do not have all the I's dotted and all the T's crossed and had counsel say, okay, this is a good one, you'll look up later on down the road if someone is taking your recipe, made the product themselves, put a different label on it, but you're not going to benefit from that. They are. So I think that having counsel is probably essential in making sure that you have a quality non-disclosure agreement or confidentiality agreement.
Mate, that's some great advice. Well, there you have it, folks. There's some top tips. If you've got some sources or some rubs of your own, you've got some ideas you want to get into, some top tips from Hayward Harris Jr., the Rib Doctor. Mate, thanks very much for your time, and you should go get yourself some lunch.
Thank you. I truly enjoyed engaging. This is in Australia, you say?
So this will be international. So I've got like a 2/3 Australian, 1/3 American audience.
Audience, happy to have done it for you. I've truly enjoyed this engaging moment.